Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be explaining about impact extrusion process. Generally, impact extrusion process is a backward extrusion process and it is performed at room temperature. So, it is cold extrusion process. Let's understand this in detail. So, impact extrusion is a manufacturing process used primarily to produce hollow, thin-walled metal containers or tubes. So, impact extrusion is primarily used to create thin-walled hollow metal containers. The process begins with a metal slug which is placed in a die cavity. So, the process begins with a metal slug. This is metal slug which is placed in a die. This is die. The die is designed to shape the final product. So, shape of the die is like the final product. A punch or ram strikes the slug with high force, causing the metal to flow and conform to the shape of the die. So, here we use a ram or punch to shape this slug or metal piece into desired shape. The punch forces the metal to flow in the opposite direction of the punch's movement. So, when we are done with the operation, then the figure will be like this. When the force is applied on the punch goes downward and the metal flows backward, opposite to the direction of the punch, and we get a final product. This is the final product, thin-walled cylindrical type metal container. Usually around the punch itself, the metal flow happened around the punch's circumference, creating a hollow shape. So here we are creating a hollow shape. The extruded part may need to be trimmed to remove excess material and achieve the final dimensions. When we have done the impact extrusion process, then after the process has been done, we have to cut out the section from the parent metal, or we need to do some finishing process after the process has been done. So when we have done with all the process, then the product looks like this. This is a metal container which is hollow and thin walled. So this is extrusion process. Now let's see the advantages of impact extrusion process. So firstly, high production rate. Here we get high production rate. It is suitable for mass production with short cycle times. Second is material efficiency. So here the minimal material waste is generated. In most of the cases, no material waste is generated. Next is strength. The process is generally done at room temperature. So it falls in cold working category. So the cold working process increases the strength and hardness of the material. Next is precision. This is done at room temperature. So this process capable of producing parts with tight tolerances and smooth surfaces. So the advantages of cold working is we know that the tolerance will be tight and the surface will be smooth. So both advantage we got in this impact extrusion process. Last one is versatility. We can produce complex shapes and thin-walled parts that are difficult to achieve with other processes. So we are creating hollow and thin-walled metal parts which is very difficult to create in other extrusion process or other metal forming processes. This is the very most advantage of impact extrusion process. Let's now see the applications of impact extrusion process. First one is in packaging. In packaging, beverages can, aerosol can, food containers, etc. are created using this process. Next is batteries. The casings for batteries, especially in consumer electronics. So the casings for batteries are being produced using this extrusion process. Next is in automotive industry, components such as gear blanks, piston, housing, etc. are created using this extrusion process. Next is consumer goods. Different consumer goods like tubes for cosmetics, toothpaste and other personal care products. Different tubes are created using this extrusion process. Which tubes are used in different cosmetic products, toothpaste and different personal care product. The last one is electronics. In electronics, housings and different components for electronic devices are produced using this impact extrusion process. So in this video, I have discussed about the working principle of impact extrusion process, the advantages and applications of this process. Hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching this video. For more updates, subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon.